Markets with Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, we're starting to have calmed down a little bit yesterday. We were up a little bit. What happened?
Yes, it has actually. The Dow was up 39 points, closed at 24,640, rising for the third day in a row. We were off as much as 180 points before ending with a small gain. Trading was light as investors wait for today's inflation report, and the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury fell to 2.84%.
All right, Small Business Optimism Index. What is it, and what is it saying?
Right. The Small Business Optimism Index rose 2 points to 106.9 in January, close to the highest reading ever, as a record amount of owners said it is a good time to expand. The owners also said finding qualified employees is difficult, which underscores a tight labor market and increasing wages. Small business owners drive the economy, so it's great to see them so optimistic right now.
Yeah, okay, good. What am I watching on Netflix?
Right. Netflix has hired Ryan Murphy, the creator of American Horror Story and Glee, to create a series and films. They will pay $300 million over 5 years for Murphy and his team. Netflix beat out Fox and Disney for this talent, so this could be a big change in the entertainment business for Netflix.
Ryan Murphy's huge. He did Nip Tuck. He did Glee, you said. He's done American Horror Stories. He's all over the place. He's a powerful name in the business, so that's really interesting with Netflix. Finally, CPI. Who was that? What is that?
Right. Every month we get a look at inflation of the consumer with the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, but today's report is getting a lot of attention. In the big employment report 2 weeks ago, wage growth grew at 2.9%, inciting fears of inflation with investors and causing the market to sell off. The CPI report measures prices for a basket of goods across the U.S., and we expect it to rise 1.9% from last year. Now, any number below the Fed's target rate of 2% inflation should be a good sign for the market. So that's what we're looking for.
All right, good. And then what happens today? What are we thinking?
Well, today, right now, the futures on the Dow look up 160 points. We get the CPI in about 45 minutes, and we also get retail sales. We get a few earnings this morning, and we hear from Cisco after the bell. So it should be a busy day.
Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good day. Thanks for checking in.